Alright, so I finally got another fan. This is a Lakewood model P-25 box fan. Yeah, 20-inch box fan with its original box. I got this for 20 bucks on OfferUp yesterday. And yeah, not bad for 20 bucks considering it's in pretty much mint condition. I'm gonna take a closer look at this thing. I'll take a look at the box first. Lakewood 20-inch model number P-25. Extra power, more cooling. Always found little things like that kind of funny. Portable electric fan. I kind of wish they matched the blades on here with the actual fan itself, but they matched the handle, which is, I guess, enough. 3-speed ultra power. They're not lying on that. 3-wire grounded cord, powerful heavy-duty motor, safety grills comply with OSHA. Here's the top of the box. Top of the box is in the greatest condition. The side of it. And same thing on the back. So take a little closer to the fan itself. Its tag is right there. The blades are polished to a mirror-like finish. The finish had a little bit of crud on it, so yesterday I went ahead and polished the blades when I took it apart. I pretty much took it apart just to do that. Since I don't have any oil on hand here, because it does need oil. I'll probably oil it with the Zoom spout that I have at my mom's house, because I'm taking this back there tonight. And I'll make another video on this if it decides to, or if it does run better with oil, because I'm sure that'll help it a little bit. I'll move this out of the way now. Here's the back. This is I believe, an early 2000s model, since it still has the older Macmillan motor, not the cheaper one with the capacitor. And the nice long grounded plug. The grounded plug is what told me it's from the 2000s. Your speed selector, nice handle. Alright, I say we go ahead and start this thing up. One thing I do notice with this fan is that it actually runs slightly slower than most P25s. Although right now it is actually running at almost normal speed. I'm pretty sure running it all night has actually helped it break in a little bit. I'm pretty sure this fan was bought and used for a summer and then just thrown in storage, because this thing is in great condition. Medium. Grills seem to rattle a little bit on medium, but it doesn't stay like that. It goes away eventually. I love this fan. I originally wanted a P23 or a C14 or something like that, but I gotta start somewhere. Since I got this, I might as well get the whole freaking lineup. That's what I'm aiming to do, at least. Get a P23 and all the little mini box fans. This thing is silent on low speed and still throws out a nice breeze. Back to high. And off. Has an okay spin down with having pretty much dry bearings. I just love the way those blades look. Quickly go ahead and startup noises starting with blow. And that's what low speed sounds like, in case you didn't hear it, because that was on for a second. Medium. And finally high. So that is my new early 2000s Lakewood model P-25 Box Fan. And I'm dropping stuff. So, thanks for watching.